Is this stuff coming out right here?
Yeah, yeah. You can look in there.
Okay, I was looking at this radio.
Yeah. Oh, you know what? Let me see that. I think.
Thrifting ain't easy. I'm feeling creepy. Comping diapers on my eBay app.
Good morning. Hi. Is it okay to look around?
Oh, yeah, yeah. Go right ahead.
Okay, thanks.
I'm just marking stuff.
Okay.
Got a little behind. We had a boo-boo, so.
Gotcha.
Push-up count.
Oh, okay.
So when you hit the top of your chest, it counts it.
Gotcha.
Thank you. I wondered what that was.
Sorry, we'd have had it out, but I had a little accident.
Oh man, are you okay?
Yeah. He said I'm supposed to say I got in a fight, but you ought to see the other guy. In this case, I think the other guy won.
T-box?
No, I don't. But I just got my kid some little boxing gloves yesterday, so
Yeah?
you know, maybe we'll.
How old are your kids?
He's 4. I mean,
4?
yeah, but I don't know. We'll see what happens.
Oh, well, actually, let me give you some. I run a boxing club.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Out in basically the Willow Branch area.
Uh huh.
So out on up the road 234 to 775.
Right.
It's open to anybody. You can come with.
Okay.
We'd love to have you guys come. We do it 3 days a week right now. So we do Tuesday night, 6 to 7:30.
Mhm.
Tonight we do it. It's open boxing from 5 to 7,
Okay.
which is pretty fun. And then we do Saturday afternoon 2 to 3:30.
Okay. Is there stuff for little kids, or is it?
Little kids will be totally included.
Oh, really?
I've even got little gloves if they needed
Oh, that's
them.
awesome. Sweet.
So you just bomb some. But yeah.
Thank
come
you.
with them.
I appreciate that.
Bring those gloves and come out.
Sounds good.
Oh, hush up. Buster, or not Buster, geez, there's a throwback.
Actually, those little, you know what those click pads are?
No.
Okay, so they're target pads.
Oh, okay.
They can punch at them.
Uh huh.
Kids like them because they
Oh,
make
that's
a
cool.
clap noise.
Right.
They use them in like kickboxing too for like knees
Yeah.
and whatevers. But yeah, that's what they are. They're just target pads.
That's pretty neat.
Yep.
Yeah, I'll probably grab those too, actually.
You want both?
Yeah, sure.
Here. You want me to set this stuff down?
Yeah, I'll make a little pile if you don't mind. That'd be cool.
Yeah. Here.
Yeah, just anywhere.
Yeah. Well, here I'll put it up here.
Okay.
On mine. Yeah.
Sounds good.
That way. Yeah. That's what this is right here. Here, I'll sit it.
Just pull that chair up.
Awesome.
There
Thank
you
you.
go.
Sure. That'll be the holding
There
chair.
we go. Is this stuff coming out right here?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah. You can look in there.
Okay, I was looking at this radio.
Oh, you know what? Let me see that. I think. I have the, actually I have the cord for that.
Okay, cool.
Just had it in my hands.
Got it?
Yep, I think it's gonna stay.
Trust me, I can do it.
Awesome.
Put the gloves back in the house. Change my pants. Honey, I marked the stuff that I need to have. Couldn't find anything but with red, so you brought me the whole thing. I'll just change my pants. And it smirks a little. Your phone is right there. Vaseline phone. Yeah, no, I'm good, honey.
I think I'll settle up whenever you're ready.
Oh, yeah.
No hurry. Yeah, I got this stuff down here too.
Oh, okay. Okay, I think I got everything here.
Okay.
22, 27, 29.
$29. There you go.
We
Thank
get
you so much.
You can get this stuff in a bag or something.
Awesome.
Let's see what, let's put it in this box.
Okay.
Sound like a plan? And please come on out. We'd love to have you.
Yeah, that's pretty awesome. I didn't know that there was anything that close that was like that.
Yeah. Well, a lot of places won't work with kids that young.
Yeah, I wouldn't think
we
so.
will at the outreach, yeah.
I appreciate that. All right, well, maybe I'll see you soon. Thank you. Thanks, you too. All right, guys, we are back from another yard sale. That was the type of yard sale that when I first got there, I didn't think I was really going to find anything. But after I did a little digging and took a few guesses on some things, it actually turned into a really good haul that I'm really excited about. So real quick, let me show you what I picked up to resell. I ended up spending $29 on all of this right here, and we should get quite a return from it. First things first, picked up this little fishing reel here. This is really no big deal. It was marked at $2. It's a Quantum. I think it's worth about $10, so that's nothing incredible. For another $2, I got this perfect counter push-up machine here. I wasn't sure what it was till she explained it to me. I thought it was maybe broken, but no, that's what it's supposed to do because your chest hits it when you go down for your push-ups. But this was $2, and it looks like used they sell for about $30 to $35, so that's not bad at all. For $3, I got this Jackson welding helmet here. Not the best condition, and I don't know what the exact model number is, but I'm thinking this is probably worth somewhere in the $20 to $30 range, maybe 20 or 25. So that's okay, as long as you add shipping on top. For $2 a piece, I got these little punching target things here for boxing. There was a lot of boxing and workout equipment, and most of it I just took a guess on because I don't really know about boxing. These are padded, and when you punch them or kick them, they make an awesome clapping sound. I don't think they're worth a lot, but I'll tell you, these are fun to play with. Especially now that Elliot has some boxing gloves. We've had a lot of fun with these, so these probably won't go anywhere actually. Something that I think will pay off were these boxing gloves that I took a shot on. They were marked at $5, and they are Title white boxing gloves. I couldn't find any used comps, and I'm not really sure how to value used boxing gloves. They might need a little cleaning, which I think I'll be able to do. But brand new, I found on Amazon and on the Title website. These sell for about $150. The Title whites range between $150 and $200, brand new. I think this model might be the $150 one. I'll have to double check. But I paid $5 for them, and since they're $150 new, I think I should be able to get a return on them. Someone let me know if you're familiar with boxing equipment. For $5, I got these Pyramid speakers. They're Pyramid Gold Series speakers. Couldn't find any sold comps, but there is an asking comp for, I think, $60 for the pair. So honestly, worst case, I should probably be able to get at least $30 for them. For another $5, I got this Pioneer equalizer. It's model GR470. Like I said, it was $5, and sold comps range between like $40 and $50 on this right here. So that's definitely good. Not very big, pretty light, so it should be a pretty easy seller. The best find was definitely this Bose radio here. It may just look like your average 30-pin Bose sound dock, but this is actually one of the better ones to find. It's the one with the built-in rechargeable battery. And on this setup here, with the battery and the power supply, even without the remote, which it's a bummer I didn't find the remote, but even without the remote, there's no reason I shouldn't be able to get at least $100 for this, as long as that battery holds a charge for a decent amount of time. But people even part these things out too. You can usually get about $30 to $35 for the power supply. You can get about $50 for a used working battery, and then another $20 to $30 just for the speaker itself. So for $3, this is definitely my favorite buy from that sale. I definitely buy anything Bose, especially when that price is only $3. Awesome. So that's everything I grabbed from that sale. Should definitely be able to make a decent return on my $29 investment, which is what it's all about. That's all I got for you this time. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching the video. But until next time, stay safe, stay healthy. Love ya. Bye.
When they hear that cha-ching and they all look at me, I guess they'll know I'm buying this crap.